For the current year, for the current 1 year, the requirement from collectors, the request from collectors is that we shall make all effort to complete 99% of the NTR Bharosa pension disbursement on the first day itself. It happened this month. I request the collectors to kindly continue with that.
Brief.
Sir. Then
Successful program చెప్పక్కర్లేదు. ఏ పని చేయాలో నాకు చెప్పండి.
So that's about the only success we have scored so far, sir. So that is why
ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని దాని రివ్యూరేషన్ అవసరం లేదు. చేయాల్సిన పని చెప్పండి.
So, sir, yes, sir. So this year our target for SHG bank linkage is 45,674 crores. I will request the collectors to kindly, as traditionally collectors do get involved, I will request them to keep track of it. Then similarly, 3,400 crores of credit through Srinidhi also is planned for the current year. And we will be giving interest-free loans to 46,860 poorest women among the SC/ST SHG members, for which also I request the attention of collectors when they review with PDDRD and their respective districts. One new thing which we will be trying this year is, as Honorable Chief Minister mentioned in the morning, open network for digital commerce to bring the Dwakra products, to bring the products of our self-help groups on this common platform and try to push it in the best possible way. So collectors basically are requested to get involved in that as well. We will be starting in some way, I don't know which way, but definitely in the months to come, there will be some kind of a pilot launched for e-cycle in Kuppam area most probably, and one more district. That also will be worth following up by district collectors. Schemes like Lakpati Didi, scheme of Government of India, and other schemes under NRLM will also be taken up, with which district collectors, as chairman of DRDA, should get involved at the district level. Manrega, as all of us know, our state has traditionally been doing well, except for the fact that in the last few years, because of lot of funds diversion, and also because of indiscriminate use of the material component only towards certain kind of works, we have taken a bit of beating. Otherwise, the program for the current year is on track. Recently, we got approval of some 6.5 crores percentage additionally last 1 week or so back, and things are going well. We have taken a review. Our new director, PRRD, also has joined. We have taken a review, sir, as per which we have slightly tried to calibrate our, next slide please, current year action plan, mainly to rework out the focus on works like CC road and drains in the village, and also individual works like cattle, goat and sheep shelters, farm ponds, sericulture sheds, horticulture plantations, and water conservation works like staggered trenches and other kinds of water conservation works which are mentioned there on in the slides. Next, please. So under Swachh Andhra Corporation, sir, as already touched upon in some detail by my urban development counterpart Anil Singhal, sir. Same is the position for Gramina branch also, sir. As Honorable CM might recollect, and some of us also recollect here, Andhra Pradesh state was declared ODF, sir, open defecation free, in the year 2018 itself. Now, in the second phase of Swachh Bharat mission, we have a three-pronged strategy, sir, from 2020 onwards. Three prongs are basically that we have covered all the households with some kind of individual sanitary latrine. So we have to continue that status in all the villages, number one. Number two, we have to manage the solid and liquid waste in the best possible way. And number three, that all the rural areas, all the villages should have generally a clean and neat look-wise also. So with those objectives, we are going ahead, sir. We have taken up a survey of all the individual household latrines already constructed